Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video will show you how to insert multiple records at a time through SQL command. So I have already opened XAMPP. First you have to select your database. Suppose I have selected my database named college, and then your table is student. Click on it, and I want to insert multiple records at a time. For this you have to provide this instruction: insert into, then table name, then the name of the columns, column 1, column 2, column 3, that's way, and then values, and then parenthesis, and value 1, value 2, value 3, dot dot dot, and value 1 refers to column 1, value 2 refers to column 3, value 3 refers to column 3, and then comma, then the values of the second record, value 1, value 2, value 3, comma, and then comma again. That's why you can insert multiple record at a time, and finally semicolon. Click on SQL. Insert into, our table is student, then our columns, first ID, then name, then email, then country, values for the first record. Our ID is suppose 7, then name is Krishna Kanto, email is kanto@gmail.com, country is India. Then the record for the next row, ID is 08, name can be Surya, email can be Surya. And this way you can insert multiple record at a time. Now click on go. Here are the SQL commands: insert into student, ID name, value 0, ID 07 Krishna Kanto, and ID 08, ID 09. Now click on browse. Here you can see 3 records have been inserted successfully. That's why you can insert multiple record at a time. Thank you.